Hi everyone, my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Today I am going to tell you how you can add 10 languages to your video in just 10 seconds. Now before I tell you how you can translate your videos, first we need to know why do you need to translate your videos and what is the importance of translating your videos. Translating your videos allows you to tap into the non-English speaking market, which allows you to reach the global audience and expand your influence and potential customer base. Viewers are more likely to engage with the video in their own language, thus allowing them to better understand the video, increasing the chance of getting shares, comments, and likes. Search engine loves the content that attracts international viewers. By translating your videos, you can immensely boost your SEO. Now we know why translating content is so important. So let's get into it, how you can translate your one video to 10 different languages in just 10 seconds.
So first you have to sign up to the website, and after you sign up, this is how it will come out. Here, you just have to drag the video, or you can upload it by clicking right here. Click on proceed, and you can add a title if you want, or you can just keep it as it is. And you can also select the languages. So source language is whatever language your video is in originally. And for now, we're just gonna select one language. But after that, I'll just quickly show you how you can add more languages within seconds. And you can also select the voices right from here. So after your video is done processing, this is how it will look like. And now I'm quickly going to show you how you can add 10 different languages or any languages you want within a couple of seconds. Just click on add right here. You can select the languages. Let me just select French and just click on add language. And similarly, you can add more languages like this. I'm going to choose Spanish. That's it. So if you click on this drop down, you'll be able to see that I've added multiple languages on this video. And you can click on different languages and toggle between them. Now here, if I click on Spanish, I will get the Spanish transcript. Similarly, if I click on German, I will get the German transcript. So now you can export all the videos and publish it to your social media platforms and get the reach that you truly deserve.
So there you have it. Now your video is ready to be understood by the world. If you like the video, do press the like button. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below and do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.